Agent goes to your house. In my app, they will put your profile, your property profile, and then we have built a technology. It's a proprietary, tech we have built internally, where we can, qualify you across 50 banks, that what is the right offer to you. So we don't show you a possible or a probable offer. We actually, run you through the credit policies of these 50 banks and then show that, okay, this is the maximum loan amount you will get. This will be your ROI. This will be LTV. So once the customer then selects that, okay, I want to go with this bank, because again, it's a misconception in market that the lowest rate of interest loan is the best loan. If I tell you that, I'll give you a loan where you just have to pay 3,000 rupees more in EMI, but you can buy a 3 BHK, not a 2 BHK. Probably you can, afford it. Or means I'm from Gurgaon, so, if I tell you that in Gurgaon you will get a loan, you have to pay 3,000, 4,000 rupees more in EMI, but you will get your house in a better locality where women's security is more. You'll probably, prefer that. So my agent advises that, then you select the bank. Then we have paperless login facilities with all the banks where we work. So we apply paperlessly and you get sanction sitting at your home. Post which my agent will collect the documents, give it to the bank for asset evaluation, the property evaluation, and then the final loan is disbursed into your account. So for my customer, it's a loan at home. They don't have to go anywhere. They're sitting at home, they will get the home loan done. All the legwork will be done by my agent.
All right, that sounds interesting. But tell me that element of trust.
Yeah.
Because as you said, it is a fintech company, digital model.
Yeah.
How did you get that market validation?
See, we have been operational from past 2.5 years now, and we have processed more than $1.5 billion in mortgages.
That's massive.
Yeah, and we have disbursed more than 3,000, 4,000 crores of loans. And so it means customers coming to us and giving us this kind of traction in just first 2 years of our existence, that's a validation, I'll say, in itself. And plus, we are probably one of the few fintechs in India which gives guarantee of our job. So since we have built an in-house engine where we match you across different banks, and my login to sanction ratio is more than 70%, because it's actually built on the credit policies of the bank. So we give this guarantee to our customer that if in 2 applications we are not able to get your home loan, then you take it from somewhere else and we'll pay your first EMI.